Every time I change houses, there's something else to do. Okay, so why is that not working? Okay, let's just go with this one. Okay, so welcome to the Hypto cryptocurrency review. And remember, this is not advice. It's a look at the cryptocurrencies which have unusual risks and unusually high risks. And people keep on saying to me, there is volatility in the cryptos. And I go, that's good, because these are really so many people say that cryptocurrencies are volatile. And I go, that's great. In fact, that's wonderful. And the reason for this wonderfulness is the fact that cryptocurrencies are simply trading so well and so technically that the volatility translates into profitability when you get it right. New line. The whole complex is a bit of a moving target. New line. Recently, we have seen the other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold and Ethereum go up, while Bitcoin has stayed where it is. Go up while Bitcoin has stayed where it is. Now, this is a normal market, much like the property market we see in Victoria, where Melbourne property prices are now very stable and, in fact, maybe rolling over, and outlying suburbs are very strong, like Phillip Island. You just see a for sale sign go up and then you see a sold sign stuck on it again. This hasn't happened for years. New line. So when the rats and mice are running, then you start to think you're getting near a high. And that high is probably around about 9,000 for Bitcoin. BTC USD, Bitcoin. We can simply see it going sideways. The great thing about this sideways movement is the fact that it's going up. New line. We're in a triangle, or at least Bitcoin's in a triangle. If it breaks above 82.70, then it's going up. Stop loss 80.94. New line. BCH USD, new line. You'll notice that this is the little pattern that I gave the buy signal for Bitcoin. Signal to buy Bitcoin Cash. And we can see that it's gone up some 21% in that time since I gave that buy signal, which is not a bad effort for one day's work, is it? Question mark. So right now, I wish to take 1/3 profit again at 15.68 and raise the stop loss up to 14.40. We had gone long, if you remember correctly, on a break above 13.40. BTG, USD, Bitcoin Gold. You will remember also that I have been excited about Bitcoin Gold for a while. It's also just finished its 5-wave structure. There's maybe one more push up. So we're currently in the little 4th wave, and another push up to maybe around about $300 before it rolls back down to, say, about $210, new line. Now that is up close to 100%. So you might want to target $320 for your profit taking new line. ETH, USD, Ethereum. This is now up about $110 since I said to buy it on a breakout above $310. And I was targeting $420. I would suggest now is a good time to take a little bit of profit in Ethereum, say 1/3 if you did go long. DSH, USD, Dash. This has had a very good run as well, and I would suggest it probably is forming a little bit of a head and shoulders. So if you are long, I would have a stop loss at $558. You could look to rebuy down at $489. EOS, USD. Also providing us with some excitement. Probably push towards about $2.04. It's come down into the zone where I said it should be a buy. Didn't quite get to 1.7520, but it got to 1.76, and we look for 2.07 on the top side again. I think this may have some trouble going higher from there, new line. Then we should get a bigger correction down to 1.5, new line. LTC, USD, Litecoin, new line. This is still very strong. I can't see any reason to get out of this new line. If long, stop is at $72, new line. XRP, Ripple. As I said before, this will probably challenge towards that $28 or $29 area. Unfortunately, it's gone to my next level about $25.45, or sorry, 25.45. 0.24254. 0.254. So at the moment, raise your stop loss up to 23.4 cents. Zcash, this is getting a little bit old and tired. And I think at the moment, you need to have a stop loss at $300 new line. Remember, this is a manipulated pump and dump stock from when it was born, new line. XMR USD, Monero. This is still good and strong. Probably more likely to form a triangle right now, so it may press up towards 169.57, but generally you'll see it dip down to about 159.2. The power coin lodged in Australia, you'll see it has some similar characteristics to Zcash, being a pump and dump, having traded up to 2.1 Bitcoin or something like thereabouts on its issue. So it is suspect. It's a bit like an AMP stock, new line. And I'm sorry, but the chart just ain't helping me. Refer to the post that I gave yesterday about POR, Power Ledger. Okay, we'll move on with the commodity, foreign exchange and commodities.